Tonight we dance for our treasured guest of honor, Fester Addams.
Mamushka! Taught to us by our Cossack cousins, the mamushka has been an Addams family tradition since God knows when. We danced the mamushka while Nido fiddled. We danced the mamushka at Waterloo. We danced the mamushka for Jack the Ripper. And now, Fester Addams, this mamushka is for you.
Going, there's trouble.
Hey, not to worry. Plan B.
But that hideous little girl knows...
I'm in charge. 10 minutes, I'll be back.
Mamushka! Mamushka! He comes with Mamushka! I swear by Mommy and Addams, this detestable Fester's the echt Fester Addams. So hey, 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 let's dance the dance of brotherly love. Mamushka!